Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Twitter settings because this is where privacy controls live. Tap your profile icon, choose Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy. Once done, select Account to confirm your email and phone are current. These help recover access and verify identity. Make sure the app is updated to avoid missing options, and if you have two-factor authentication, have your device nearby. This first step sets the stage for privacy and security changes, so they apply correctly to your account. Once in Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy and Safety to access core controls. You can protect your tweets to make your account private. That stops public viewing and requires approval for new followers. Next, manage photo tagging and mentions to limit who can interact with you. Restricting tags reduces unwanted exposure. Also review direct messages. Toggle whether anyone can message you or only people you follow, because this affects spam and unsolicited contact. Make changes deliberately. Finish by tightening security and account access. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app or text messages to add a second verification layer. This prevents unauthorized logins. Then audit apps and sessions and revoke any access you don't recognize to stop third-party intrusions. Update passwords to a strong, unique phrase and save backup codes in a secure place. If something goes wrong, clear your app cache, try a different network, or use account recovery with verified email or phone. Those steps usually resolve access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.